Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to put your LOGITECH G715 keyboard into Bluetooth pairing mode. First, make sure that it's turned on. Then, instructions say that you should press and hold on this button for 3 seconds, so you can try that. If it starts blinking, then after a moment stops, it's just because I don't think the instructions are quite right. So, if it doesn't work after pressing and holding, you should just double click on this key. So let's double click. Okay, for me now it doesn't work. But so it's either pressing and holding for 3 seconds or double clicking. Yeah, so it doesn't work now, but previously it has worked and the pressing and holding didn't work. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.